two things we need to install, guys. Okay, one is a Java in your machine, and the second thing is Eclipse. Eclipse is the tool where you will practice the Java. Okay, that we used to call as IDE, Integrated Development Environment, or workspace we used to call. That is like you need some tool to practice a Java, correct? So that is the Eclipse. So there are many tools available in the market, but we will use Eclipse. Eclipse is the most widely used tool for Java with Selenium combination. Okay, first thing is we are going to download the Java. What is Java means? Java is a programming language, like English language. What we are speaking now, saying like Java is just a language. So using that language, we are going to automate the website with the help of Selenium tool. Okay, so this difference you should understand first. First is Java. So for why we are learning Java? It's a language. That's it. Selenium is the tool which we are going to use to automate the website. Okay, automate the website means what we are going to do. That is a big question mark, correct? Very simple. We are going to do the testing. So testing is the domain which we are going to work. So in the testing means what we generally test. Okay. For example, take this as a website. Okay, this sorry, Google. This is a URL. This entire thing is it's a Google website. Okay. So I am trying to enter a Flipkart here and clicking enter. Okay. But instead of Flipkart here, Amazon is coming. Okay, then it is a defect. Correct. This is what you are going to do. So if you are searching anything and clicking this, it should Flipkart should appear. But instead of Flipkart, some other site is coming. Our Flipkart site is opening, but Amazon logo is there. Then it is a defect. So this is the testing which you are going to do. You understand? So we're going to verify the client application. Okay, whether the requirement is matching, the expected is matching the actual scenario or not, like that. Generally, as a tester, we need to always validate the expected and the actual scenario. That's it. Okay, if any mismatch is happening between the actual and the expected scenario, then it is a defect. That's it. Got it? That's what you're going to validate. So directly, I'm not going to tell you how to validate this. Okay, directly I won't tell you how to validate this. So for that, first we are going to learn how to navigate into the website through the automation. Step by step, we are going to learn. First, I'll tell you how to access each functionality. Functionality means each field one by one. Then we will sum up everything, and finally we can validate. Okay, so for this purpose, Selenium we are using. Then the next thing is tool to practice. So that is we're using Eclipse for that. Okay, so Eclipse is the tool used to like script the code or etc. Okay, here only we'll execute the code. So that generally call this as IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So or workspace. Workspace means where we'll practice our code. Okay, and like this, three things are there. So first, how we are going to take up this forward means first we'll start with the Java. Okay. So the day one itself, we need Java and Eclipse because without Eclipse, you cannot practice Java. Okay, there are many tools available. Okay, even you can write Java in Notepad++, etc. But I am using Eclipse here. You are also going to use this. In the real time, we will use Eclipse mostly with the combination of Java and Selenium. Okay, that's what we are taking a class in Eclipse. Okay, so we need to install the Eclipse in Java first level. First 1 week, we are going to like continue with this. After that, once the Java basic is done, then we will enter into Selenium to automate the website. So parallelly, we are going to cover the Java and Selenium. Okay, so in the Selenium, I see we have a different ways to automate. Okay, slowly we will enter into base class. One concept is there. Out base class is how to reusable the code. Then the next level is how to store all the locators that we will learn. What is the locator means? This is called as a page object model. See, generally, if I want to type anything here, okay, wait, show you. Okay, if I want to type anything here, even manually, if you want to type, right, you are taking a cursor to here, this place search and clicking once, right? Then you are entering. The same thing we are going to do with the automation. Okay, so this background code for this text box we will get it. How means just we will do the right click, inspect, and validate this. So this is the background code for what the developer written. You no need to worry. We are not going to write anything here. Okay, it is already written by the developer. We are going to pick only some elements, type, search, something like that. We'll take this. This is called as a locator. Okay, this locator we are going to maintain separately. Okay, to access that is called as a page object model. The next level is framework. Framework means you don't need to worry. Okay, so here we will follow some set of protocols or process we can say. Organized, okay, organized manner we will write the code that is called as a framework. That's it. Okay, once it is done, you can attend the interview. This is my plan. Got it, guys? Do you have any doubts?
No.
No, sir.
I hope you got some picture now, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Okay, apart from this, guys, I'll also cover. So I hope you all attend the manual testing or you already know the manual testing. Even if you know, okay, we'll have on 2 days or 1 day class for revising the manual concepts. Okay, where I will cover the latest methodology, Agile, with hands-on practice. Agile is the most wanted topic in the market now. Okay, without everyone is looking for Agile tester. What is Agile means? We'll cover that later. Agile, Jira, or raising a defect, or Jira will act like a two-purpose. One is a project management tool, another is a defect management tool. So this I'll cover you. This both I'll give you the hands-on experience. That is, you are going to do everything. Okay, this we will cover. Apart from this, some CI/CD tool is there. Continuous integration, continuous development. What does that means? Git and GitHub. What is this Git and GitHub means? So generally, like see, whatever you are writing or scripting in your laptop is going to follow by the entire team. Okay, entire team going to work on the same script. How is that possible? Whether we are going to use any pen drive to copy the code from one system to another system, it is not possible. Pen drive is not allowed in your office laptop. Okay, and the USB port is restricted. So then how the each person code is copied or used by the other person means very simple. At the end of the day, you need to upload your code to some repository that is called as a Git or GitHub. GitHub is the repository. Okay, it is like a Google Drive. Daily you're going to upload in some Google Drive like a link. Okay, then others need to download. Then they need to integrate your code into their system. Like that, the system works. Okay, so that I will tell you how to do this. Then the next thing is Jenkins. So Jenkins is generally used by the DevOps team. Okay, that we are going to see only basics, how to run the code from the Jenkins. Okay, how to schedule the code, like the basic things we are going to see. That's it. Okay, this I will cover. So then live projects I'll give you. Okay, how to automate a end-to-end project, everything. And apart from this, we will see some general concepts related to placement support. What other things means? Just giving a overall view. Okay, before starting placement support, what are the things we can see? Resume preparation. You don't need to worry, guys. You are not going to prepare anything. You're just going to change your name in my own resume. Okay, that's it. Everything we are going to cover. Whatever I know, everything I'm going to tell you. Not all the tool, only Selenium. Okay. Resume preparation, that I'll support you. Then self intro, how to introduce yourself technically. Okay, so you know how to introduce guys already, but technically how we need to change our self intro. That is very important because you should not tell your family story and all, or you should not tell like you have worked with the manual. Okay, even if you having a manual testing experience now, we can convert your manual testing experience into automation. That's my purpose. For example, you are working as a manual tester for 5 years means you can entirely change that 5 years into automation. Okay, then your package will increase up to 300%. I can bet you here. Okay, self intro, then challenges faced in the project. For this, I have one document. Okay, I'll share the document to you. And you can read the document and change according to your domain. Okay, or your experience. Challenges faced in your project. Then daily activities. These are the general questions they will ask in the interview. Okay, even the HR or anybody. Daily activity, roles and responsibilities, challenges, roles and responsibility, project explanation. Okay, this everything we'll see. And in the framework level, what are the framework we are going to see means first is data driven. What is this data driven means? See, generally we need some data to test. For example, this is a Google means you are testing this Google means. So blindly, you should not write as a Flipkart and a test here. You understand? You need to get this data from the client. What we need to test? What is the requirement like that? That is called as a test data. That data we are going to pass from the Excel sheet. That is called as a using a data-driven framework. Okay, how to automate Excel and pass the data from the Excel sheet. That is a spreadsheet to the Eclipse. Okay, this is a new thing. It's the most wanted topic in the market. Under framework, the TestNG, we will see TestNG, test next generation. It's a very important framework, and BDD Cucumber. BDD is a very, very important framework, guys. BDD Cucumber. Okay, this we will see. Mostly this nobody will take this Cucumber, guys, but in Besant we are covering that. Okay. So till TestNG, I'll share the syllabus to you. BDD Cucumber will come as a compliment for you because for all the batches, I'm going to take a Cucumber. Like a different trainers batches are there, no, the automation batch. All the batch put together, I'm going to take a Cucumber for entire batch. So you have already landed the correct trainer. Okay, I'm going to cover the placement support for all the batch students, all the trainers batch students. You understand? Not only my students, all the students in Besant. So that's it, guys. This is the overall picture. Do you understand so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what do you feel now? Tell me. After seeing these things, what is your opinion or what is your feedback? Do you have any query before starting?
Before starting, we don't have idea on automation. Now we'll got an idea, sir,
Okay, that is a
and
different.
have some confidence. Also, we will place in automation testing like that.
Yeah, and I'll give you the class notes. I'll share you immediately. Syllabus. So, see, guys, I won't take class in the order. Okay, one by one, I will not complete. Listen at this one carefully. Okay, have the syllabus with you always. Just to mark the topic wherever I am completing. Randomly, I will pick the topic and I'll take based on my mood on the daily basis. You understand? I will not follow the syllabus on the each line by line. Why I'm doing these things means in the interview they will not ask the question in the order. First, let me ask in Java or let me ask in Selenium. Like that, they will not ask. They'll ask randomly anything from anywhere among the syllabus. Understand? That's what you need to be prepared always. If I complete one by one means you will forget the first one at the last, right? If I go in that order, that's what randomly I will cover. So you will never forget anything. You'll be always alert. Okay, that is the thing. These things I will cover and important questions I will tell you. So I'll give you one PDF for Selenium, and in the class itself for each topic I'll tell you what are the questions they can ask. You need to note it separately. Okay, and the requirement, what are the things is required from you is okay, daily task you need to complete. Okay, daily I'll give you task, automation task. Daily I'll give you Java and automation task. Must, mandatory to complete. So if you miss any one task, then you won't understand the next day class. Okay, that's it. Irrespective of your work, you need to like complete this. Okay, first try to understand why you have joined this course. So don't read this course or don't learn the Selenium because of the others compulsion. Then you cannot crack this interview. If you want this interview to be cracked, or if you need a high package or settle in your life, then this course is a mandatory. So you need to read for yourself, not for others. That is a very important thing. So then you should clear the or complete the daily task. Okay, this thing I want from you. Then regularly we can have the mock interview. That thing I'm going to implement from your batch, mock interview, like actual interview. So if you attend many mock interviews, guys, then the real interview will be very, very easy for you. The same question they will ask there. Okay. Then the next thing is be active in the group, WhatsApp group, always. Okay, and be active in the class. That is very important. Don't be silent. Okay, whenever you have a doubt, just stop me and you can ask. Even it is a silly doubt. Okay, anything you can ask is related to topic in the class. You can stop me anywhere and you can ask. I'll explain you. Okay, in case if you don't understand the class, I'll share you recording. Recording daily, you will get it. Okay, so you can see the recording 2 to 3 times. Okay, initially you won't understand. Okay, I know the how difficult, but you need to practice. So after 10 days, you need first 10 days for practice everything. So first 10 days, I will take a class very slowly, but you need to practice. So how many hours you need to read? That is the next question. Correct. For reading. Sorry, a lot of spelling error is coming. I'm just typing in without light. Okay. How many hours you need to read per day? That is the next question, right? If you are not, if you are working professional, then read for 5 years. Working means already. Not working means 10 hours. Okay, that's it. I'm giving you all the tips in the starting itself. If you don't understand, if you're not willing to attend the mock interview or not, then you need to take care about the placement. Okay, if you follow the steps, everything, then easily you'll get placed within 2 months. Within 2 months, I'm telling. The class duration will be like a 45 hours. Okay, so, except Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, Sunday is leave. We can leave. Okay, in case if I miss any class in the weekdays, okay, any one class, then we will cover that as a compensation the weekend. Got it? That's it. The same time. Only in Saturday. Not Sunday is always free for you. So do you have any other doubt, guys, before starting? You can ask me anything. So this is just another type of intro session or to discuss something before entering. Anything I missed here?
No, sir, almost
All good, sir.
covered.
Okay, good. Okay, let's go with this first one, Java. So how to know that whether Java is installed in our machine or not? Just click the start button and type as CMD, then command prompt will open. Just type as Java space, only one space, hyphen. This is hyphen, okay, not underscore, hyphen version, and enter. So like this, it should show the version. So if the version is showing means then the Java is installed in your machine already. Okay, it can be any version. Okay, no problem at all. Can you check now?
Yes, sir, already installed.
Already installed. Okay. What about others?
Yeah,
So Java is installed in everyone's machine. Can I take in that way? I don't want to tell you how to install Java then. Can you please raise your hand? Like who was already installed? You can see this raise symbol. Yeah. So Nimisha
No,
and
sir.
Preeti, three.
No, sir.
Nimisha as
It's
well?
not installed yet. Yesterday, today only I have joined the class,
No
so I will
problem.
install
I'll
it
tell you
today.
that. Yeah. I'll tell you how to install them. Yeah. Thank you. You can lower your hand. Yes. Thanks. It's a short one. Okay. I'll tell you how to install. You can follow this. Okay, just type as Java download. Okay, then just listen. You can see the recording and do it later. Okay, just type as Java download. Then you can see this Oracle site, the second one. Go inside that. Or you can find the latest version, JDK Java Development Kit. Okay, so you no need to download Java separately. Instead, you can download the kit itself directly nowadays. Okay, JDK 22, 21, 17 like that is there. So latest is JDK 22. Click this. Already it is the 22, right? So in the down, you can see this 3 OS is there. So choose the Windows if you're using Windows. So other than Windows, if you want to install anything, see the YouTube and install yourself. Okay, so click the Windows, then come down, or you can see this x64 installer. Just up adjacent to that, on link is there, no? So here only we need to download the Java. Just click this, and automatically Java will download like this. It is a exe file. Exe means it's a .exe application file. So we can install that by double clicking that one. Okay, once it is done, you can go to the download folder. Okay, just double click this and install. Nothing else. Okay, one pop-up will come yes or no. Just click yes and continue till end and finish it. Once it is done, okay, you have installed, right? Then the next step is go to your local disk. See, and program files. The two program files is there, no? The first two program files. You can see the Java folder. Go inside that. Okay, so I have two version here, but you will have only one, JDK 22. Go inside the JDK 22. See here one folder is there, no bin. Listen here carefully. Bin folder is there. So just copy the path of that in the top. Okay. Once you see this bin folder, copy the path. So how to copy the path means above something is written, no, some paths. So just come out of this and click here once. Then it will select automatically. Copy this. Paste this. Okay. This path. Then go to the same folder. Go inside the first folder bin. Go inside that. And now copy the same path. So now we got with the bin. Before without bin. Okay. This is the difference. With the bin, without bin. Now why we have copied this means we need to set up the environment variable. How to set means just click the start button and type as env and edit the system environment variable will be there. Just click that. Okay, on system property will pop up, will open like this. In that bottom environment variable tab is there. Click that. Okay, now copy the path without bin. Copy the path without bin. Go there. Okay, so see two boxes there here. One is in the top user variable, bottom is a system variable. In between this, a new folder is there. Now click this and type in the capital letter Java underscore home and paste the path without bin. See here, bin keyword should not be there at the last. And click OK. I have already installed this. Okay. After this, now you can see like this. This is the first one. Now copy the path with the bin. Before without bin we have copied, no? Now with the bin. Go there again. Don't close this, okay? It should be like this. Then under the system variable where you can see the path keyword, okay? Try to open this. Double click this, then this will open like this. Then click the new and paste the path. Okay, so already I have this. Okay, click OK. Only one OK. Then you need to come back here. Okay, in case if the path is not open, if you're trying to click this do the double click, but you're not able to open this path means you can choose the path in the above one user variable one path is there. No, the alternatively you can double click this, click new and paste this and click OK. Then you can click OK everywhere. So once it is done, you can close the notepad, don't save, and go to the start button and type a CMD, enter, and the small letter Java space hyphen version and enter. Like this, the Java version will be there. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Okay. So Java is installed now. Then second thing is what? Eclipse we need to download. So how to download means, so guys, others follow this. Just type as Eclipse download. Okay, you'll get the first link. Okay, go inside this link. Go inside this link. Just come down where you can see this. Install your favorite desktop IDE packages, like this will be there. Okay, here download x86-64 is there. Just click this and just to follow me. Later you can do it. Okay. Then you land in another page. Again, click the download. Thank you for your download. Automatically it will start. The top it is loading. You don't need to do this now. Or if you do, okay, possible, do it now. Just to type as Eclipse download, then the first link. That's it. So once it is download, guys, what you need to do means, okay, it is also exe file. Just a double click that. If you do the double click, one pop-up will come. Okay, it will show you many options to choose in that Eclipse installation. You need to choose the first one. Eclipse for Java development or Java installer will be there. Okay, you need to choose that and continue till end and finish it finally. So once you finish that, so Eclipse symbol will be like this. You can see here Eclipse IDE. In the desktop, it will be like this. That's it. Okay. Once you install this, like this, it will be there. Got it, guys? So
Yeah,
which
got it.
Yes,
option you
sir.
need to choose means the first one, Eclipse for Java developer